Right now, there are people making money online selling a simple digital product that they made once. They're getting paid over and over and over again, no shipping, no team, and no on-hand inventory. And the crazy part is most beginners never even try this because they think it's too complicated. But here's the truth, creating and selling a digital product is one of the easiest ways to make money online. You don't need a big audience, you don't need to be an expert, and you don't need a bunch of tools. You just need something valuable, a way to sell it, and a system to deliver it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and sell a digital product using Vonza step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how to have your idea turn into your first sale. Hi, my name's Tyler. I help you make money online, use AI, and scale digital businesses and help you achieve real digital freedom. All right, first things first, what are you actually going to sell? This is where most people get stuck and they think they need some perfect idea, something super unique or something they think they need to be an expert in, but you really don't. You really just need to be able to solve a problem, and that's about it. Every digital product is just a solution to something, rather that be losing weight, rather that be making money online, rather that be learning a new skill. It's always solving some sort of problem. The best place to start is with what you already know. So just ask yourself, what have I sold recently? What problems have I solved recently? What do a lot of people come to me for help for? Because the truth is, you don't need to be an expert, you just need to be a few steps ahead. So don't overcomplicate it, and it does not need to be something huge. In fact, simple products tend to work better. Something like an ebook, a guide, a checklist, a short template, something quick, clear, and useful, because people really don't want more information, they want solutions. So once you have your idea, now it's time to actually create it. This is where a lot of people start procrastinating. They think it's going to take forever when it really doesn't. You can create a simple digital product within days, hours, or even minutes using AI tools. AI can outline your idea, generate content, organize it, turn it into something structured very quickly. And this is where something like Vonza's AI can help you a lot, because instead of starting from scratch, you get a foundation that you can build from. And then you can refine it to however you want. That way, instead of spending days and days procrastinating or spending days and days stuck, you are now steps ahead of the game. The goal here isn't perfection. The goal here is to create something that can actually help someone or provide some sort of value. Because you can always improve it later, but you can't improve something that doesn't exist. Now, this is the part that actually makes you money, selling the product. Because creating something is one thing, but getting people to buy it is a whole nother beast. This is why having proper, efficient systems is key and essential. This is just another reason why I love Vonza, because it comes with a built-in funnel for you. This is why I love Vonza so much, because it allows you to set up a simple funnel. A page where people land, a clear offer, and a way to check out. That's it. No complicated setup and no super tough tech. And what really matters here is clarity. People just need to understand what they're buying, what service they're getting, and why it matters. If they understand all of those things, they are way more likely to buy. And this is another reason why I love Vonza, because you can set up automations as well. So once everything checks out and someone buys your product, they should be sent it instantly. They get access instantly, they receive a confirmation email, and it's completely hands-off from you. So you're not actually manually doing anything. So the big idea here is you don't just have a product, you have a system set in place that's now generating income. So if you really look at it and zoom out, it's really simple. You come up with an idea, something valuable, and then figure out a system to sell it. Now let's hop into Vonza and show you exactly how to set up this digital product.
All right, everybody. So to actually build our digital product, we're going to go over here to the commerce section. We're going to head over to products. We're going to go over here to add product at the top right. Then we're going to hit the digital section right here. And then let's do Tyler's power lifting course. Tyler's powerlifting course. So then this is where we add our subtitle. This is going to be where we add our price. So you can charge, let's say we're going to charge $99 for our powerlifting course. If you want to add a file for a cover inventory, you just click this right here. You can upload any file that you want. You can also head over here where you click pixels, and then let's say we click powerlifting. If we didn't have a photo ready, we could just search that right there. Cool, pick one of these, and now we got an image for our product. So just make sure we're on digital, and then we'll hit save. Now it's going to take us over to the details of our product, where we can add it to a category. So we can add it to lifting. So if we don't have lifting as a category, we can click right here and then we can do lifting, save, and then now lifting will be a category. So we can add it there. There's our subtitle. If we have a website that we want to throw it onto already, you just add it to your website. So let's say we want to add it to Tyler's Fitness Coach. You can add a description for it. So Tyler's powerlifting course, learn how to get stronger the correct way. Cool. All right, so that's how you'll do that. And then you're always going to just want to make sure that you save it. My screen recording is a little bit over it. I don't want to accidentally stop it. I think I can hide it, yeah. So you'll want to hit save, just like that, so all your information saves. Over here is going to be where your branding is, so you can add a promotional video, add a promotional picture. You'll, again, just hit that little drop box right there and then add anything that you want into that box. And it would be uploaded to the right. I'll upload something so you can see what it'd be like. All right, so then once you upload something just like that, it'll be right here as the promotional video, and then you're all good to go. Here's going to be your SEO. You can have your page URL, page title, all that good stuff. Here's where you're going to be able to mark your product as featured, enable rating reviews, make it a private product, hide your coupons if you want to hide your coupons. Here's where you can, select the amount of downloads for it. So if you want to make it more limited, you can have 5 of them. If you want to make it less limited, you can have 100. Or if you want a bunch of them, you could have like 1,000,000. And then you can just hit save. There you go. And then here's going to be your images, so anything relevant to your product. So right here is the image that we added already. So right here is going to be the image that we have added already, just like that. If you want to add another one, you can. Same thing with that Dropbox. You can also click the P and search an image up. Right here is going to be the downloadable content. This is going to be what people get when they buy your product. So you'll just click right here. You'll upload your stuff. So just like that. Boom. Click upload. Just like that, it'll pop up on the right hand side right here. If you want to add multiple things, you'll just click it again and then add your file, and then here's where you can view it, preview it, disable it, delete it. Then when we head over to customers right here, this is where you're going to actually be able to see who's bought your product so far. You can quickly send them an email. You can use AI to generate the email if you'd like. Here's going to be your analytics right here. You're going to be able to see the regions that people are looking at your product from, purchasing your product from, state by state, geography, top visiting pages right here. And then you're also going to be able to manage your affiliates. So if you wanted to add an affiliate to be able to sell your digital product, maybe give them a little commission, like 5 to 15%, whatever you want it to be. You can make it higher, you can make it lower, set it to whatever you want to be. It'll just help get more people buying your product, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with that.
And that's how you create a digital product to sell on Vonza. Once you do the process yourself, you'll really see how easy it actually is. If you guys want a step-by-step breakdown on how to actually set up your automations and your funnels, drop a comment, let me know. Make sure to like and subscribe to let me know you guys are enjoying these videos. If Vonza seems like it could be any help to you in scaling your online business and helping you achieve digital freedom, book a 30-minute strategy call with me. We'll go over how Vonza can help you scale, grow, and hit all your goals you are trying to achieve and reach real digital freedom. There'll be a link at the top of the description, in the profile as well, and at the top of the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.